Hello traders, this is addzeros. Today I had two tickers I've traded, but I have multiple trades on it. Let me walk you through my thought process today. I traded into my IB account. I'm trying to move to the IB account. It's my cash account. So I wanted to build some equity on it. So I don't want to move around from one account to other. So therefore I wanted to use this account now. Uh, so what happened is the AI. So look at the AI. AI was uh, clearly going down too much, and I see there is a last time there was a 58, 80, 59 around. There was a bottom here on a one-way ticket. So I was expecting a bounce today. So what happened if you look at the morning for AI, and then you will see what I'm trying to guide you. I think there's a very strong setup. So I was trying to do something here. So let me just remove this. So if you look at this is a 5 minute candles and I wanted to trade. Let's look at the 1 minute first. So you will see better. So I wanted to take this gap up, 1 minute break up on this trade, but I was busy trading on the pins trade. Therefore, I didn't trade this one. And I will walk you through the pins as well. So once I missed that, then I wanted to see a clear setup where I can trade. So I saw that it moved again the same line which I show you on the daily with a mark is try to make a bottom. It went back up on the VWAP. It came down, and I want that this to retest one more time because sometime it happens is that it comes down and goes back and is in the morning range, but in then afternoon is basically some traders comes in and started moving up, and at this point there is no big volume. If you look at the very light volume on AI trade. So I noticed that it came down again, tested, moved back up to the VWAP, and I was trying to do go long over over this resistance, but I didn't find a right setup for me to go. So I was waiting again. It went back up down again, if you see here, and then again it make the same candle. If you look at this spinning top, right? And once it make that from the bottom with the volume, this time see here every time it want to break the low of the break, it come with a big volume. So it means that someone is buying that. If that means that someone is selling, it also means someone is buying. So here is also you see, and here is also I see supply mode. Now I wanted to see that whether it comes down back again, continue the downward trend, or move back up. So now if you look at the 5 minutes, you're gonna see what I want to see show you. So 5 minute, it clearly with a big volume candle and it broke this five in the 5 minute. The moment it broke the 5 minute candle, I basically went long here with almost 60 cent risk. 50 at 80, this was a low of the day, and 54.40 is my so almost 60 cent risk. I added a small position when it's tried to break the 60. So I was thinking that this time is gonna break the 60, but no. So this time when I added a very small position, it came back down and touched the 59.20 again. So below my entry, but not my stop loss. I let it give a chance. It went back up. The moment this time it was break 60, I added a very small size at maybe a 20 shares or something like that. And then I took the first partial, the second partial when it broke the 65.60 and rejected, then the third partial, fourth partial, and here I have closed my position because I see that uh, it couldn't break the high of the day. So this was my first trade. Now, if I show you my pins trade was my second trade, which was also in an extended trade, but in the pins, I have traded the option. So let me go and show you the option trade. So yeah, so this was a pins trade. Let me just bring that option which I did. I basically traded, I guess, the 86. Just quickly check, or 80. Yeah, so I've traded the option. So here is my uh, pins trade I traded an option. Now let me show you the chart as well, because this way you won't be able to understand the setup. So I just wanted to show you that I've traded. I made the $30 loss on the stock when I was trading, but I made the profit on the option trade. Now let me show you my pins trade. So if you go to the 1 minute candle, so here I entered into the trade on my equity. But then I realized this is making a really nice setup, and I need to go a little higher, bigger. And this is my small cash account, so I do not have that much equity here, so I do not go in the bigger position. I can go maximum 200 shares on that. So I immediately closed my position and I waited to go short with an options. Now what I did, I traded in the 5 minute chart. So what happened here, you see that this is a 5 minute trade down, then it touched the green candle. At this point, I was went in the equity, the short, but then I was waiting to see this break. So the moment it break this candle, I basically short 7 contracts of the put option. I buy 7 put options, and I ride it all the way. One partial here, then the partial here, then the partial here, and then I think some I'll close it here. So everything closes here, and then I made the profit. As I mentioned to you, if I go back again to here, uh, if I may show you the, where is that? I don't know where I lost it, I guess. I can see now the PNL. Okay, anyway, so I basically write it all the way up like that. So this is the two trades, the same, the bear flag. One is a bear flag on the extended strategy. If you look at the pins, if you look at the pins for the daily, if I show you the daily chart, and you will see it is making consecutively the green candle. Look at this. So I was expecting uh, big downward, and this is the way I played it. That's the way I played it on the on the short side, and then the LI on the long side. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and you wanted to more recap and videos. Feel free to write the message, and I'm gonna share some more traits of me. Thank you.